Hello everybody, Chris here, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about the Antutu Benchmark application for Android devices. So with this tool, if you want to understand the power and performance of one of your devices, specifically Android phones or Android tablets, you can go ahead and install this application, run it, and get scores on each of the different performance categories such as RAM and 3D performance. To run the full 3D test, you do have to download the Antutu 3D Benchmark application, which is a companion to the original benchmark program, and you can download that straight within the app. It's another 70 megabytes, so keep that in mind if you're limited on storage space. So once you've gone ahead and installed that, you can start all of the different tests, the CPU, UX tests, RAM, and 3D performance by hitting the test icon. The first test is going to be the 3D benchmark, where it actually plays a 3D CGI scene and checks how well your device can render that scene. If you've ever done benchmarks for computer-based games, this should look pretty similar to that. Then once that's gone ahead and done its business, you're going to get the RAM, CPU, and UX tests. Just go ahead, leave it alone for a while, let it complete. It'll be done before you know it. Once it's done, you're going to get a series of different scores, including the overall score and one for each category, which is going to essentially be an arbitrary number. Now, within the app and online, you can check the benchmarks and see where your device's score lies in comparison to all the other devices out there, including the newest ones. But in order to really get any use out of knowing this number, you're going to need to go online, do a little bit of research, figure out where your device lies in comparison to some other Android devices which are decent at gaming, if that's what you're looking for, and see if your device falls in the realm of compatibility with being able to run a game effectively, being able to run whichever application you're looking at effectively before you go ahead and put some money into it or sign up for a subscription in the case that it's an MMORPG or something of that nature. On the other tabs of the application, you can get a lot more detailed specification information about your device, just about everything you want to know about what your device is and what it can do, such as what graphics chip it's running, how powerful the camera is on the front and back in terms of megapixels, and that sort of information. There are also other tests within Antutu you can run, such as the HTML test, to determine if your device is compatible with all kinds of HTML and JavaScript elements, basically stuff that you would see on a web page. Can your device display that properly? So it's a pretty useful application, and I recommend going ahead and giving it a try if you want to know anything about your device. So I've been Chris, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.